about myself today, thinking how have I changed, how I really don't care if you are here or if you don't stay. Now I'm feeling those winter blues, but I don't wanna cry. All we ever do is laugh it off. I'm sick and I don't know why. I've been thinking about myself and that I remember thinking how I changed. You look so fine, how I really don't guess we have to agree to this or agree over this one last time. Now I'm feeling though pretty weird that day when we did not exchange our hellos. All we ever do is laugh it out for you. I'm sorry, I'm so shallow. Do you remember that? I'm still looking forward to watch my heart so deathly hollows. Guess we have to agree to disagree for this one last time. Pretty weird that day when we did not exchange our hellos. I wasn't looking out for you, I'm sorry, I'm so shallow. But I'm still looking forward to watching part 2 of Deathly Hallows with you. And we're all buried deep inside the same playground. And I don't care if I got much at all here in this small town. I've been saying that myself buried deep inside. How I changed the ground, how I really don't care if you are here or if you don't stay. Now I'm feeling those winter blues, but I don't wanna cry. All we ever do is laugh it off. I'm sick and I don't know why. I've been thinking about myself and that I remember thinking how I changed. You look so fine, how I really don't guess we have to agree to this or agree over this one last time. Now I'm feeling though pretty weird that day when we did not exchange our hellos.